Can you see me?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hi!
Look at how beautiful it is back here.
Today started off not wonderful because I have a sunburn really bad and Michael went swimming with his phone yesterday, so we're both kind of sad. Do a sad face. But the good news is we're not gonna let that hold us back.
That's right.
We're gonna have a good time no matter what. We don't have much time before the sun sets, so we're gonna hop on our motorbike and ride to some waterfalls.
Do we have names for these waterfalls?
Yes, but I don't know how to pronounce them.
Sounds about right.
Afareaitu Waterfalls.
You good? It even sounds hard to say.
Afareaitu.
We live up here. We're gonna drive around the island down to here. Then you have to get onto this back dirt road that's super bumpy. And from there, there's just about a mile hike in to see the waterfalls.
Should I get off? No, just walk. Hi guys! That's okay. So that worked. We heard to beware of the dogs at the entrance, so I don't know if those are the ones, but I just charmed him. It's like 6 of them. Hey, why'd the chicken cross the road? we only recommend it for very experienced motorbikers. This is very difficult. There's more dogs. Okay.
Hello!
Hi!
That is not suggested. Maybe not this far, because everything else before now was pretty doable. This
kind
was
of.
Probably a bad idea. Is this totally the way?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
It appears to be. There's shoe prints.
Yeah, there's totally footprints.
Yeah, you can swim at the waterfalls.
I'm going to swim at the waterfall.
I'll get my feet wet, but I don't want my sunscreen to come off because, to be quite frank, I'm a lobster right now. I messed up.
You're a pretty lobster.
Thanks, babe. Okay, now give me that.
It's really cool that as far as we know, there's no like poisonous plants around here that might cause raised bumps or allergic reactions all over my skin.
You should just try to slide down it. That'd be fun.
Okay.
I don't know, do you want to?
Yeah, I wish I would have brought the GoPro though. In which case, this is so easy.
Oh no! No!
So I'll be hiking down sockless.
Just...
That is adventure for you. Yeah, I flicked it in. I was pulling it off my heel and I started to fall over. And it just flung right in.
But when you're walking up, you should go hands and feet up. Because it looks a little slick.
It's something that I'll figure out as I do it.
Okay.
I've sustained maybe 5 mosquito bites.
Yeah, me too.
Not too bad.
Uh-oh, our camera's gonna die.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Okay. It doesn't seem like it's going to be the most comfortable slide in.
Okay.
Not really trained for this. You ready? Count 3.
3, 2, 1. Oh no! My phone!
Oh. So that was freaky.
Was it fun though?
That's my first slip down a waterfall.
He got everything drenched!
That was a good time. I'm happy it happened. We should save the battery for the camera though.
Okay.
And get the next waterfall.
Bye!
Not bad. I liked it. Oh, I think I got bit by a couple ants.
Here's one.
Ah, no, that's a mole. Oh.
I'm sorry. He's got ants all over.
So, that waterfall visit was cool because that was my first rock slide down and whatnot. But like quickly afterwards, we realized that I was being bit by ants, and that was just fine because they're just ants. But turns out they were actually an island like predator. They were electric ants, and they stung me everywhere. So I just wanted to show you like that I was bit all across the neck, across my side, and then finally on my belly everywhere. We read up on this, and it's only supposed to sting for up to like a week. I didn't see these bites. The actual bites didn't show up until like 3 days afterwards, and they still sting like mad. And it's crazy. We keep putting lotion and everything on there. Anyways, rad time. That was supposed to go a lot more smoothly.
Bumpy back here. Oh no. Turns out we went too far. The trailhead starts back here, so that's where we're gonna park, but Michael has to turn it around. Maybe walk it. Oh. Oh Jesus. I don't think he can hear me. Yeah, just go slow. I don't want you to fall. He's dragging vines behind the bike. Oh. That's enough.
Yeah.
What do you think those are?
Green peppers.
Are you sure? That's not true.
My new dress. It's a sundress.
Ha ha ha. What do you mean?
I'm gonna get in and check this bottom one. It's not gonna break my leg now. Oh, there's totally something in here. Weird and like weird fish.
Yeah, but it's just fish.
I don't see any other fish.
Oh my gosh. That's what you went in to check for? Fish? Really? I thought you were checking for something serious.
It looks like they have pinchers, but...
Shrimp don't have pinchers.
Well, these ones don't either. So they're not like, what are they called at home? Crawdads.